students also now? Okay, so join your hands, close your eyes, we'll chant Omkaram 3 times. Sairam students. So I want one student to just
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam coordinate with me. So who will do that work? Janvi, can you do that
Yes,
work?
ma'am.
Okay. So you are
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
tell me if you keep on responding, so I'll be able to know. So now we'll start with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
little revision what we did before the holidays. So first we started with which chapter? Quickly tell me, Janvi.
Natural resource, chapter
Nat.
14.
Okay. So now tell me what was the first topic we did in the natural resources?
Soil.
Air.
Ma'am,
The first topic
air.
we did the air.
Air.
Oh, air we did. Okay. So now the first we did in the air, that was the composition of the air. So Shubham will tell me what is the composition of the air. One by one I'll be asking you all this way, so quickly you answer.
At the Earth's surface, the atmosphere consists mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. Apart from these gases, the atmosphere contains small amount of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and rare gases. Nearly the surface of the Earth, the composition of air is as follows.
Okay, correct. So you know that air is the mixture of gases, and these gases, the major gases are the nitrogen, then the carbon dioxide, oxygen. Okay, and then the other rare gases are there, which are the percentage of which we find it's very less. Okay, so the important two gases which we talk about, that is the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Carbon dioxide, you all know it's very important because it is taken up by the plants during the process of photosynthesis, and then they convert it into the sorry organic compound. What is that organic compound? Can Hitendra say? The plants convert the carbon dioxide in which organic compound, Hitendra?
Carbon, ma'am.
No. Carbon dioxide is converted into what? Nakul, can you tell?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Hmm? The product you tell me, what organic compound?
Glucose.
Oxygen is not an organic compound.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, glucose.
carbohydrates, protein, and fat.
Glucose, very good.
Ma'am,
Glucose. Yes, glucose is the organic compound which is formed during the process of photosynthesis. So plants take up the carbon dioxide and the water during that process. So that way the importance of carbon dioxide, you know that carbon dioxide is then further taken up by all the other animals in the form of organic compounds, which can be the carbohydrate, protein, or fats, vitamins. Okay, so now we'll take up the next topic after the air. We did one more thing which is very important, that how the carbon dioxide is fixed. So Janvi will tell me how the carbon dioxide is fixed.
ma'am, carbon dioxide is in the मैम एंड अरे यार कार्बन मैम जो कार्बन साइकिल होते हैं रिमेन्स द अमाउंट ऑफ CO2 एंड कांस्टेंट इन एटमॉस्फेयर.
Huh? So don't tell me the whole cycle. Like just in two forms, CO2 is fixed. Tell me quickly two forms in which the CO2 is fixed. Anyone else who can tell? Ramanikra, can you say?
Ma'am, the first way is that ma'am CO2 in the atmosphere is taken by the plants, and ma'am the
Yes.
second one is ma'am the plants die and ma'am they are converted into coal and petroleum.
Okay. See, you have to understand one is in the form of the organic compound by the plants. Remember, students, and the second is as bicarbonates. Remember, the two forms are there. One is as organic compounds during the process of photosynthesis by the plants, and second is as bicarbonates, that is the limestone. Okay, now what was the next topic, Janvi? So quickly, one by one, you tell me the topic, and I'll keep on asking the questions to different students. Janvi,
Ma'am,
ask
soil.
again.
Ma'am, soil.
Soil we did. Okay. So soil
Soil.
formation we did. We did the composition of the soil. So who will tell me the composition of the soil? Nila Mittal, I want you to answer.
Shubham Sahu.
Shubham Sahu want to answer. Okay.
Soil is a mixture of, it contains small particle of rocks of different size. It also contains bites of dead decayed organism, which
Very
is
good.
called humus. In addition,
Huh?
soil also contains microscopic life, various microscopic
Very
life.
correct.
The
Very
types of soil is decided by the average size of particles, and
as
their
well as
qualities decided by the amount of humus.
very good amount of humus and the minerals which are present in the soil. Very
Soil.
good. Okay. So that way the composition of the soil you have explained, and it's very nice. Very good. Now the next thing was that how the soil is formed. So I want someone to just name the factors which help in the soil formation. Rajvardhan will say. I want Rajvardhan to speak up. Are you here? Rajvardhan or Pujit will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajvardhan speaking. Okay. So tell me what are the factors which help in the process of soil formation?
Climate,
So in climate, what? You have to specify, na? Anyone else if want to try?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I answer?
ma'am, can
That
Ma'am, here.
sunlight,
Huh?
water,
Very good.
and ma'am, lichens,
Lichens are there. So that with the living organism. So what living organism? Lichens then?
ma'am, fungi, blue-green algae,
Huh?
ma'am, and mosses,
Mosses help in. Very good. And
Decomposers.
root of the higher plants,
Ma'am,
roots of
temperature.
roots of the high plants. Okay, the temperature. When you say
Ma'am,
sun,
wait.
it is the temperature. Okay, so now just take up once again. So we find the wind, the water, then the sunlight. And when we talk about sunlight, it is the heat and the temperature. And then the living organisms are there, where you named the mosses, then the lichens or the lichens, which you call it. And the third, the roots of the high plants. They all help in the soil formation, or that is the abrasion of the rocks will take place because of these factors, and it will result in the formation of the fine particles which will add up to the soil or help in soil formation. Okay, then after that what we did?
soil
Next,
erosion.
soil erosion. So everyone knows what is soil erosion. Pujit has to answer.
Ma'am, may I speak?
No, Pujit has to answer. Unmute your mic, Pujit.
Ma'am, carrying away of the top fertile soil of the soil is known as soil erosion.
Very good. Okay. So what are the factors which lead to this soil erosion? Can you name those factors?
Overgrazing, desertification, chemical fertilizer, chemical insect pesticide, and drought.
Okay, very good. So Janvi, can you repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
So repeat the factors.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, say.
Excessive use of chemical fertilizer, overgrazing, use of pesticides, flood, air, drought, desertification, mining.
Very good. So these are all the factors which lead to the soil erosion. Means the fertility gets reduced. Okay. Then after that, what topic we did?
Preventing soil erosion.
The methods or the means measures which we can take to prevent the soil erosion. So what are those different methods of checking the soil
Planting
erosion?
trees,
Ma'am, can I?
planting more
Afforestation.
trees,
Afforestation.
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 Afforestation we
Cutting
call
of
it.
forest.
Settlement, use of
Recycling,
pesticide,
Very
checking
good.
And
overgrazing,
checking
manual or
water harvesting.
Use
Ah,
manual.
all should not speak one by one. Hemant will tell me the third point.
ma'am, can I?
One by one.
Ma'am,
Hemant.
using manual.
Okay. Using manure instead of the fertilizers. Very good. Then next point who will tell?
Water harvesting.
organic farming.
Okay. Water harvesting then. Nakul,
Organic
one more
farming.
point.
Organic farming.
Organic farming. Very good. Organic farming means
ma'am, plant,
Checking overgrazing.
checking the
Checking over.
overgrazing. Very good.
ma'am,
And
planting
checking
more
floods.
trees,
Planting. So that is said afforestation is only planting more trees. Okay. So these are all the different methods to check the soil erosion. Then after soil erosion, what we did? Say it quickly.
Biogeochemical cycle.
Biogeochemical cycle. So we did the different biogeochemical cycles. What was the first cycle we did? Hitendra.
Carbon cycle.
Carbon cycle. Okay. So now in that I'm asking few questions. Small. You just tell me that what is the source of carbon?
ma'am,
Sorry.
carbon dioxide, atmosphere,
Atmosphere.
Don't speak up now. I want someone. I'll be naming. Then you answer. Surname. What is the source of carbon?
Ma'am, pollution, ma'am, from car
Source of
and
carbon.
animal.
No. From where we get the carbon? What is the source of carbon?
My atmosphere.
Very good. This is correct. Atmosphere is the source of carbon. And in the atmosphere, now Swarnim, I want you to answer that in which form is it present?
Ma'am, in gaseous form.
Gaseous form. And what is that formula? Gaseous we say state. And which form? So you have to say compound form. And what is
Ma'am,
that compound?
Ma'am, CO2.
CO2. Yes, correct. Okay. So first of all, it is taken up by which organisms?
Plant.
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 Ma'am,
Ma'am,
during
plant and
photosynthesis.
animal.
Okay. The plants take up the carbon dioxide during which process?
Photosynthesis.
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 Okay. And then it is converted into organic compound. Now you tell me that how it is released back into the atmosphere. Which form it
Ma'am,
is released back?
Ma'am, it is taken by the animal, and then through respiration it goes
Okay.
back in.
Animals, it will be cycled through animals. Then in which form it will be going back into the atmosphere?
Ma'am, in CO2. Ma'am, in CO2.
Again, correct. In the same form will go into the atmosphere. Okay. So fine. You have understood the carbon cycle. Everyone has drawn in the notebook. You have done the question answers also all in the fair notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Then we did the nitrogen cycle. So I want someone to tell me what is nitrogen fixation. Bhunika, can you answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Can
Ma'am,
Bhunika can try. What is nitrogen fixation? Not saying. Others should keep the mic off, otherwise it disturbs. Okay. No, not
Ma'am,
answering.
can I?
I want Aditi Jain to answer. Aditi Jain should answer. Not saying. See. Aditi Jain. Aditi Verma. Aditi Verma, can you speak up? What is nitrogen fixation? Very, very important question.
The nitrogen is converted into usable form by the process of nitrogen fixation.
Okay. So what is that usable form?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, let her try. What is the usable form? If you simply answer this way, you won't get any marks.
Nitrate.
Nitrate. Okay. So Pujit has answered that nitrate. So what is getting converted into nitrate during nitrogen fixation?
Nitrogen.
Now, Pujit, can you say it fully? Ramanikra, can you say what is nitrogen fixation? The complete explanation.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, now let her say.
ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere in the form of N2 is converted into nitrate, that is NO3, by the process of nitrogen fixation.
Excellent. So remember this, that in the atmosphere, the nitrogen which is present in the N2 form, that gets converted into NO3. And you call this process only as the nitrogen fixation. And remember, NO3 is the usable form. Neither the plants can take up the N2 nor the animals can take up the N2 from the atmosphere. So first it has to be converted into NO3, which goes into the soil. So from the soil, the plants, that is the roots of the plants, will absorb it. Is it very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
Priyansh, name the methods of nitrogen fixation. Priyanshi,
Ma'am, can I?
no, Priyanshi has to say. Then Ratika will explain. Name them, Priyanshi. Name the
What?
methods. Name the methods of nitrogen fixation.
Biological method of nitrogen fixation,
Correct.
atmospheric nitrogen fixation,
Correct.
and industrial nitrogen fixation.
Correct. Okay. Now Ratika has to tell me that what is biological nitrogen fixation.
Ma'am, biological nitrogen fixation.
Yes. What happens in that? How it is done?
Ma'am, in a biological nitrogen fixation, the conversion of N2 into NO3 is is in between plants and animals.
Is done by the plants. Remember, not animals. It is done by the plants. Okay. Can you name some plants?
Anabana.
Okay.
Blue
Correct.
green algae.
Azola, Ginju,
Very
Ginkgo.
good. Very good. Then what else?
Nostoc.
Microbe also. One bacteria. What is that bacteria?
Rhizobium.
Rhizobium.
Bacteria.
Remember the bacteria, remember the blue green algae, and then one higher plant also I said. What is that higher plant? Which does the nitrogen fixation?
Azola.
No, azulato is a fern. The big tree it is. You see the examples, you'll get it.
Ma'am, ginkgo.
Ginkgo, very good. Ginkgo is a tree which does the nitrogen fixation. Okay, so that was all about the nitrogen fixation. Now, atmospheric fixation also, I hope you have understood that it is done in the atmosphere. Okay, and during the acid rain, the nitrate means the HNO3, HNO2 comes to the soil and forms the nitrates, combining with the different minerals. Okay, and the other one, the industrial. So industrial, what is the example, Bhupendra, of the industrial nitrogen fixation? Bhupendra? Are you here? At least you can say that you are there. Bhupendra is there or not? Speak up. Industrial, बताओ example. Which industry?
Urea.
In the form of urea, but where is that industry? अपने आसपास है? अपने आसपास है कोई?
NFL.
Which is NFL, हाँ. So you have to say, ये तो याद होना ही चाहिए सबको. Okay. So now nitrogen fixation we have done, and the different methods we have discussed. Now I want you to tell me that how the oxygen is cycled. So Mukund will tell me. Mukund can speak or not? At least say yes or no, so that I can understand you are there in my class. Nilay Mittal will answer now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so say how the
Ma'am,
oxygen,
my main source is atmosphere. Ma'am, then through respiration, we cycle CO2 and H2O, and then using photosynthesis, plant convert these CO2 back to O2, and then again it goes into atmosphere. Also, there is another cycle in which CO2 is converted back into organic molecules. And then
Okay, so we find if we go the same way, source of oxygen is
Atmosphere.
atmosphere. Then from the atmosphere, who will take it?
Humans and animals.
living organisms.
All living organisms, correct. All living organisms. Then they will use it for what purpose?
Respiration.
Respiration.
What will happen? What will be done?
Oxidation.
Oxidation of the food. Very good. So you have to specify oxidation of the food. And then what will be released?
CO2.
CO2 and H2O.
Will be taken up by the
Plant.
plant. And during this process,
Photosynthesis.
they will convert this carbon dioxide into what?
Glucose.
Glucose and oxygen.
Organic compound. And then what they'll release as byproduct?
Oxygen.
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 So this way you have to explain the oxygen cycle. Okay, then another very important topic was the ozone. Are you remembering, everyone?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Formula of ozone, Riyanshi.
O3.
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 Everyone starts singing together. O3, okay. So O3, the formation of O3 now will be explained by Tika.
Ma'am, O3 is present in the stratosphere, the layer of atmosphere. It absorbs the harmful UV rays and prevents the UV rays from reaching the earth, which are harmful and causes skin cancer, eye defects, and genetic disorders.
Okay, so important you have told me. I want the process of formation of O3. Pranav can answer. Pranav Srivastav. Can you answer how the O3 is formed?
Ma'am, we have not do this.
Yes.
You have not done. I have not
Yes,
explained
ma'am.
that O2 present in the atmosphere, that O3 formation
Ma'am, ozone-
takes place how O is placed
No,
up
ozone-
in the upper layers of
No, ozone formation is left.
ozone. Acha, that we have not done.
No, ma'am.
So ozone, I have discussed that O2 splits up into the two oxygen atoms. Then oxygen molecule will combine with the oxygen atom and it will form O3. O2 plus O will form O3. We discussed in the class. No. No one is
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No one is remembering.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We missed that. Okay. So you can write down.
No, ma'am.
So quickly note down. You are having that natural resources chapter in front of you. You have opened the lecture notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there only you noted down ozone formation. Just write down the equation, and you will be understanding. लिखना क्या equation में? That is O2. Then put an arrow and write down O plus O. और arrow के ऊपर लिख दो UV rays. So remember, due to the action of the UV rays, oxygen molecule will split up into two oxygen atoms. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fifth, second
Ma'am, can you
equation,
repeat?
O2, then put an arrow and write down O plus O. And on top of the arrow, you put UV. मतलब UV rays. Okay. Now उसी के नीचे दूसरा इक्वेशन लिख दो O2 plus O. O2 plus O. What we mean to say? कि ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीजन एटम के साथ कंबाइन हो रहा है. And then after again put an arrow and write down O3. Is it clear?
Yes,
All have
ma'am.
written, बस दो equations.
Yes, ma'am.
दो equations.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these two equations
ma'am.
tell us that how the process, what is going on. और ये सारा process, ये reaction कहाँ होने वाले हैं? In the stratosphere. Where these reactions will take place?
In the stratosphere.
In the stratosphere.
Okay. करेक्ट. और ये ब्रेकडाउन किसके वजह से हो रहा है? किन रेज के वजह से?
UV rays.
UV rays.
UV rays.
UV rays.
Okay, so I hope you have understood. Okay, now are you remembering the greenhouse effect?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so greenhouse effect is due to which gases?
CO2.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, then after completing this chapter, which chapter did we start? Swarnim will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
After this chapter, which chapter we started? Don't know.
Ma'am, chapter 15.
Nakul, what we started after this, completing this chapter?
Diversity in living organisms. Diversity in living organisms.
No, diversity we never started. We started with the improvement, na?
Ma'am, we have not started any chapter.
Yes, in your class, okay, in your class we have not done anything. So then, okay, so we will start today with the new chapter, that is improvement in food resources. So what you do, put today's date and the previous chapter, all questions I have given.
No, ma'am.
Questions I have not given.
Ma'am, we have not started, ma'am. Question answer exercise we have not done, ma'am.
Okay, so you all have not started with the question answers. Okay, and I have not given
Yes,
out
ma'am.
any question.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do, I'll write answers and I'll send it to on the WhatsApp. Okay, and
Okay,
you
ma'am.
do those questions in the fair notebook. Start doing it. You all have made one biology notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have made classwork notebook.
Classwork is this only the lecture one. Now you make one more new notebook, and that will be the same
Yes, ma'am.
notebook. Okay, one side ruled,
Ma'am,
one side the blank one.
ma'am, we have to do exercise in that notebook or classwork.
No, the questions which I'll give you, you have to do it in separate notebook, which you will call it as a fair notebook. ओके, और ये जिसमें अभी आप लेक्चर्स नोट करते हो उसको अपन क्लास वर्क लेक्चर नोटबुक बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर?
मैम मैम एक्सरसाइज
Yes,
किस में
ma'am.
करनी है?
हाँ, टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन
Ma'am?
आल्सो यूज द सेम.
Ma'am, ma'am, but I write all these things in one notebook.
No, so don't write that answers to be. I have not given the questions only. So you are noting down only what I'm explaining, isn't it? And when I give you the questions, so you will put the heading, the chapter's name, and all only question answers you do. क्वेश्चन लिखना प्रॉपरली, फिर उसका आंसर देना, फिर क्वेश्चन लिखना, फिर आंसर देना. Is it clear? So that way you have to do it. So that will be your biology fair notebook, जिसमें आपके सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रहने वाले हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक के क्वेश्चंस भी रहेंगे, and then extra questions will also be there. You understood what I said now?
Now I have one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
doubt.
Ma'am.
हाँ, say.
Ma'am, we have to write the blue color question also, ma'am, inside the chapter.
Inside the chapter, that also I will tell you. Okay, just now, so you write down all the extra questions which I gave. Okay,
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the textbook, now I'll tell you that only these questions you answer, because rest will be already covered up. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't do just now the textbook questions. I'll send the extra questions. Okay, from each topic what we discussed just now. So you can do those questions in the fair, and then so now what you do, put today's date and write down. So little introduction. 5 minutes left. We'll just do the introduction of the new chapter which we will be starting. So everyone put today's date and write down improvement in food resources. Improvement in food resources. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now put the subheading food resources. The subheading food resources. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, what are the food resources? From where we get the food? I mean to say that.
Trees. From trees.
Plants,
Plant,
animals, and plant and animals.
Plants and animals.
जल्दी से प्लांट्स लिखो और प्लांट्स के सोर्सेस के नाम आप हमको बताना नेक्स्ट टाइम लिख के. ओके, व्हाट ऑल वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स? कैन समवन से व्हाट ऑल वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स?
Ma'am, fruit, vegetables.
Fruits,
Fruits and vegetables.
Fruits.
Okay,
ma'am,
Medicine.
jute,
one by one.
ma'am, jute,
Fruits, vegetables, and what else?
fibers,
Cloth.
ma'am, jute,
Cloth.
The grains. Okay, the
Cloth.
grains we say. In the grains we find the pulses also, we find the cereals also. So what you do, plant sources लिखा, उसके बाद ये सारे listing कर लेना. Okay, the fruits, the vegetables, the cereals, pulses, all spices you get it. Okay, we are talking about only the eatables. Fibers अभी मत बोलो. Fibers तो हमारे खाने की चीज तो नहीं है. Isn't it? We are talking about the food resources. So the fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, spices, oil seeds. These are all obtained from the plants. Okay, and now animal resources, who will tell me quickly? What all we get from the animals? What food items for what food resources?
Milk.
Milk.
Eggs.
Meat.
Honey.
Honey. Very good. What else?
Fish liver oil.
Okay. Cod liver oil. One very
Ma'am, egg.
Egg, this the no one was saying. Okay, eggs. So these are all the resources which we get from the
Ma'am,
animal.
wool.
Wool, why you are
Wool.
saying? We eat wool or what? We are talking about the food resources just now, na? Okay, anything else we get for as a food from the animals? Okay, so now display food resources. Now in this chapter, what we will be doing, students, we will try to understand that how the food resources can be improved. We are dependent on the plants for these all food items which we named just now, and same way we are dependent on the animals for the different food items which you said just now. Okay, so हमको क्या करना है? You know that the population is increasing, so we have to increase the production also. If we have to increase the production, we have to use the better methods of farming. Okay, we have to use the better methods of the animal husbandry. Are you getting? Animal keeping if we are doing, तो हर step पर animals को proper food देना होगा, shelter देना होगा, then only you will be getting the good amount of the product. Are you getting? Same way, if the farming is done, if you want the cereals, pulses, if you want the oil seeds in a good amount, so then you have to opt the better farming techniques. So I hope in 8th class you did that, na? Farming, that the crop plowing.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last year only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will find this chapter very easy. Okay. So first of all, so name some cropping patterns, students. I remembering because I know that 8th class you did some cropping patterns.
Ma'am, Kharif, Rabi.
सीजन के हिसाब से क्रॉप्स नहीं, क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न मतलब कि ग्रोइंग का एक पैटर्न होता है.
Terrace farming.
Mixed farming.
Crop rotation. Are you remembering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mixed cropping, intercropping. You all did intercropping last year
Yes, ma'am.
and mixed cropping also, or only crop rotation?
No, only crop rotation.
Acha, only crop rotation. So remember, this year we will be doing that there are 3 different cropping patterns, and these cropping patterns are adopted in order to increase the production. Okay, तो जो पिछला पढ़ा हुआ उसको हम लोग रिवाइज कर लेंगे. What you do, you will read this improvement and food resources chapter, and next biology period I'll start with that. Okay, and then you complete the questions which I'll be sending from the previous chapter. Followed everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What you do after writing all those questions, then you learn it, and then one day you'll be writing the test. Followed? So we'll start next period with the new chapter. So our time is over. I'll be ending up my class. But before that, if you have any doubt, you can ask for anyone what we discussed related to that. No one has any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so all topics are very clear. You'll be able to prepare thoroughly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. very
Yes, ma'am.
nice. Okay, so we'll start with the new chapter. You will do what work? You'll do the reading of that improvement in food resources. Everyone will do that. All have the textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So we'll end up the class. I'll stop the recording.